Ladies and gentlemen, we got him.
Hi guys, and welcome to another internet tutorial. This time we'll be tackling the Microsoft Edge, one of the most advanced browsers out there on the internet currently. And by the way, this only works for Linux laptops. It doesn't work for Linux desktops. It doesn't work for Mac or Windows, any kind of programs like that. So we're just going to be using Linux here, and we're going to be using this on a laptop. So first thing I want to do is go to Microsoft Edge, and I'm going to right click on it and go to App Settings. So this is a very important step, and it's all about security of the device, and I have a little diagram here to show you why we need to do some steps here. So usually the government and the CIA and NSA use secret cameras to view us and Microsoft Edge, and what we're going to do is try to sever that connection for as long as we can. And what we do here is disable location, microphone, and pictures. If you disable these three in that order, it severs the connection for about 20 to 30 minutes, so we have some time to use Microsoft Edge. Now, this is a quick note, this is only a one-time use, so after you do this setup, they're going to find a way around it, and they're going to be able to track you all the time. So we're going to find a more permanent solution right now. So after you do that crucial step, we're going to go to Microsoft Edge. Now, it's pretty easy to find. You just search it, same thing as last time. I'm just going to open it up right away. And as you can see, we started this start screen with my feed and all these stuff. This is pretty much useless. There's no point in using this. Most of this is propaganda, and we don't actually want to look at this. So we're just going to go right to the best web browser, in my opinion, Bing. So Bing is a really good search engine. A lot of variety, just really a sound search engine. One of the best quality search engines out there. And what we're going to do with Bing right now is we're going to go to Google Chrome. Now, you might be wondering why we are using Microsoft Edge to get to Google Chrome. And I have another little diagram here to show you why we do this. So as I said before, there was that connection between Microsoft Edge and the CIA and the government. But with Google Chrome, it's a completely different system, and we're safe because we have Buff Obama here protecting the internet for us. So that's why we're going to use Microsoft Edge, that 20 to 30 minute window to get to Google Chrome. So now that we're here, we just go here and click this link, and we go download Chrome and accept and install. So while it's installing, I'm just going to recap everything we have here. So first of all, this is Microsoft Edge. As you can see, unsecure 100%. Here we have Google Chrome. You can see the differences here. I think it's pretty obvious why we're using Chrome in this case, but we use Microsoft Edge as really a hacker shortcut to get to Chrome, because things like Firefox, Safari, and all those other search engines are not safe enough to download Google Chrome. So we use Microsoft Edge to get to Google Chrome. Now after that quick tutorial, we have Chrome, and all I have to do is just install and launch it. I already have it installed, so that's not going to be an issue. But if you guys have any questions, just ask them down below, and please like and comment and subscribe. I hope you have a wonderful day, and thank you for tuning into this episode of Internet Hacks. See you guys next time.